How to set up automatic replies on Outlook. Hello everyone and welcome to this new tutorial. To do this, we will go to our app or browser and look for outlook.com. Log into your account and now just go to the settings icon on the top right corner. Here, just go where it says Mail on the left. We'll find a list of options and we'll go to Automatic Replies. If your app allows you to enable automatic replies, you can easily choose the message you want to send as an automatic reply. Type in the dates you want to send this message and apply the specifications that best suit what you need. And then just tap on Save. In that way, you can set up automatic replies on Outlook. And that's it, guys. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next video.